Is my screen visible? Am I audible? Okay, I am audible, and I hope screen is also visible. Okay, let others join. So who is the CR of this particular class? Is there any CR class representative in this class?
Not appointed, sir.
Not appointed. Okay. So you have only one CR or one LR and one CR usually. Okay. Maybe I request your class teacher to appoint a CR in your class. So if there is a message to give you as a class, maybe we'll want to communicate. Okay. I hope most of you all have joined again. Okay, fine. 37 students are joined. Okay. Now what happens here? When I use integer a equal to 100, a is a variable, left hand side. How to define variable? Int a. You can use any variable name a, but it should consist only alphabet, numerics, and underscore, and always it should start with alphabet or underscore. So a is declared inside the memory, and this value 100 is assigned to this. Okay, we will not go into deep how it is stored and all, because 100 is what? 100 is an integer. Okay, it might take 4 bytes, maybe 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 bytes. I'll assume it's a single, okay, single location. Now what is star here? Int star p. It's a pointer variable, and we are assigning a value and a equal to, and this can be written also like this, like what? Like here, like int star p. Okay, then I'll say p equal to and a. Okay, so both are same. You declare the variable and assign the value to variable, quantity variable, or at the time of declaration you can also assign a variable its value, like here it is what? Int a and a equal to 100, or int p and p equal to and a, like this. Okay, now when you assign a value to pointer, what is that value? It becomes and a's address. Suppose a will have a address saying this one. Suppose a is at 1000. Okay, then 1001, 1002, 1003. These are memory locations. Okay, and p is at 1004. Now what p will have? P will have a value 1000. So p will have the value 1000, because I am assigning p equal to and a. A's address, which is 1000, that is put into p. Now p will not have value 100, which is a's value. Okay, p will have 1000. Now when we access what? Access dereference, no, dereference variable, which is star p. When I say printf percentage d, okay, comma, and comma p. Okay, comma p. What will happen here? Is comma p is okay? No, I cannot use comma p because it's just a pointer variable. I have to say pointer star p. Okay. Now what will happen here? When you access this p with the dereference, your control goes to this particular position, that is p is variable, and this value is taken. 1000 is taken, but 1000 will not be considered as the content of p. You will go to 1000th location here. You go to 1000th location, which is here. We will go to 1000th location, which is here, and the value 100 is read. 100 is read, and that is printed. The meaning is a equal to 100, fine, a equal to 100, but p and p, when you say p is also equal to 100. P equal to a, because p equal to and a. Is that okay? Understood? So this is dereference variable. Whenever we dereference a pointer variable, the value which is stored inside that particular pointer is considered as the address of another variable or address of a memory location where the content is present, which is here A. Don't say. Okay. We have pointers. What's the time? It is 12:26. Which is the next lecture you have today? Which is the next lecture? Do you have lecture after this? Participants? Rutuja, roll number 3.
Yes, sir.
Which is the next lecture you
We
have?
have lecture.
Which
Yes.
one? You have
DLD.
DLD? Okay. What about the afternoon? Afternoon you are free? You all?
Yes, sir.
Today afternoon is free. Can I schedule a lecture afternoon?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about other students? Today can I schedule a lecture? What about Saturday, Sunday? Saturday, how many lectures you have Saturdays? How many lectures Saturday? 3. Okay. Which slot is free on Saturday? 12:30 to 1:30 is free. Okay, okay. I will not schedule today, but maybe this week I'll go through your timetable and I will schedule lectures. I would like to finish C part in this week so that we can start data structure part in the next week onwards. But whenever we do programming like algorithms of data structure, okay, in that particular context, whatever the C programs come, okay, we will try to execute. So at present, the main things are we have to complete array, character arrays, then maybe some part of pointers. Initially, I will just show what are the basic pointers, how you can allocate memory using malloc and free. Then we'll see some functions, you already know it, okay, character strings, pointers, and files. We'll see these 3 things. Then we'll continue with the data structures. And whenever we require any programming part, okay, at the time of explaining that particular program, I will explain the C syntax also. Okay, but I will upload C PDFs on the Moodle. You go through it and try to write programs. I haven't given any assignment to you. Which book you use for C programming? Which book you use? Let us see. Let us see by Yashwant Kanetkar. Okay. Now, what I suggest is I have uploaded one book on the Moodle. Have you seen it in the Moodle? What was that? Let us. It is not. Let us see. I think the C programming language by Dennis Ritchie and Ken Thompson. Okay, on the Moodle. Okay, you can consider it as the Bible of the C because they are the authors. They are the writers of C program. Okay, it is 12:29, 12:30. I'll close it here. I'll discuss in the next lecture. Okay, I'll stop it here. You have the next lecture. You join the next lecture. Then we'll discuss again. End meeting.